Hi, hello, welcome to Elite English classes. In the early class, I have given you ideas about speaking skills. When you want to become very particular or if you want to have fluency in speaking, you should have the knowledge about making simple sentences. And now in this class, I'll give you ideas about how to make simple sentences. First of all, then I will give you the idea about sentences. Here I have written first person wise, person, singular, plural on the blackboard. First person means ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪುರುಷ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಭಾಷಾಂತರ ಪಾಠಮಾಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲಿಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾನು, ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು, ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು, ಯು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೀನು, ನೀವು ಅನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಿತ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಅಂತ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ತೃತೀಯ ಪುರುಷ, ಹಿ, ಶಿ, ಇಟ್. ಹಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು, ಶಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು, ಇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು, ದೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು. ಅವರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹುಡುಗರಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಹುಡುಗರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗರ್ಲ್, ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಒನ್ ವರ್ಬ್. In English, there are simple sentence. First part of sentence ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಬ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, I go is a simple sentence in English. I go, ನಾನು ಹೋಗುವೆ. I eat, there I have written I eat is a simple sentence. ನಾನು ಉಣ್ಣುವೆ, ನಾನು ತಿನ್ನುವೆ is one sentence. Where I am having only two parts. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇದು ವರ್ಬ್. This is subject and this one is verb. I is subject, eat ಅನ್ನೋದು verb. I subject, go is verb, ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ. So here we have to I eat is one, I subject ಇದೆ, eat. We eat, ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನುವೆವು, ಉಣ್ಣುವೆವು. You eat, you eat in the same manner, but there is a change in he, she, it. He, she, it ಅಂದಾಗ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದದ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಎಸ್ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. We use that yes. That is he, you, I eat, we eat ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, but when you say he, she, it, it ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಸ್ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. They eat. So in English, we try to make many sentences. No doubt we have so many ideas in our mind, but we fail to express it before others. That is, you should not hesitate to talk in English. Simple sentences we can try to speak with your friends, with your parents. Like that we can make practice. By practice only we can speak in English. Nobody helps you but your confidence or your practice will help you to speak in English. For example, another example, I go. Here I have written, I go is one sentence. Go to school. I go to school. We go to school. You go to school. You go to school. He, she, it. When it comes he, she, it andre goes to school ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. That is correct English. So subject verb agreement, this is called subject verb agreement. ಅಂದ್ರೆ in English the subject should agree with the verb. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು I, we, you ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಕರ್ತೃ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ we can say it is a correct sentence in English. I go to school, whereas you say he ಬಂದ್ರೆ he goes to school ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. That is right English. For example, I jump, you jump, you jump, you jump. He, she, it jumps ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ they again jump. There is no yes. So like this we can say I like, you, we like, you like, you like. He, she, it ಬಂದ್ರೆ he likes, she likes, it likes. Again they ಇದ್ರೆ they like. For example, I play cricket is one sentence. I play, we play, you play, you play. He, she, it. When you are telling he is playing, he plays cricket. He is playing alla, he plays cricket. She plays cricket. Hagene they play cricket. When you are talking about your Parents. My mother reads newspaper, but I read newspaper. You read newspaper. My mother is she, third person, singular. So my mother reads newspaper. My father reads newspaper. My brother reads newspaper. My sister reads newspaper. But all together they read. All are reading means they read newspaper. Like this, every day we speak a lot of. You can make many sentences. I eat rice. He eats rice. She eats rice. My mother eats rice. Say like this. Then you can learn English. Every day to day, I watch television. Don't say I see television. Is wrong English. I watch television or TV. My mother watches television. My father watches television. They watch television. Again, yes, wherever you find third person singular, try to use yes pratyaya anta helike ishtapadtini, then only it will be correct English. So if you fail to use, then it is a wrong sentence. So don't hesitate to this. I go to bus stop. When you are telling my friend he goes to bus stop, I go to bus stop. I like, you like that you say many verbs. I give, for example, I give 10 rupees. I give, we give, you give, but he gives, she gives. Like that, we have to add yes pratyaya whenever you are using third person singular. Singular ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವನು, ಅವಳು, ಅದು. ಬಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ yes pratyaya ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what we have learned today ಅಂದ್ರೆ I, we, you, they. Whenever you are using these subjects, don't use yes pratyaya. Whenever you are using saying yes, he, she, it, definitely you have to use yes. Then only it is a correct English. For example, I teach English. I teach, we teach, you teach, you teach. But he teaches, she teaches. Like that. I learn English. You learn English. But he learns English. She learns English. They learn English. Like that, wherever you are using simple present tense, you have to add he, she, it. Whenever you come across he, she, it, then you have to add yes to the verb. And this is what you have to do. I have given you many examples. You go on practicing. You go on thinking about English. When you are saying I drink tea, yes, think about you drink tea. I drink tea. My friend drinks tea. He drinks tea. She drinks tea. And don't say he drink tea. That is wrong English. From today onwards, whenever you are on a journey or whenever you are at work, think about English and try to. I drive car. I drive car. You drive car. He drives car. She drives car. Like that, go on thinking about English. Only by thinking and practicing and speaking, you can learn English very well. And in the next class, I will give you sentence patterns of different sentence patterns. But before that, you practice this. And I hope you have understood the technique told by me. Please try to make simple sentences. Thank you one and all.